Hello Brain Sprouts family. Robbie here again. Today, we're starting something new and very useful in math, fractions. Fractions are simply a way to show part of a whole. Imagine you have one whole pizza. If you cut it into two equal slices, each slice is 1/2 of the pizza. We write that as 1 over 2. If we cut a chocolate bar into two equal parts, each part is also 1 over 2. So halves mean splitting something into two equal parts. Now let's try cutting into 4 equal parts. If you cut a pizza into 4 equal slices, each slice is called 1/4 or 1/4. We write that as 1 over 4. 4 quarters make up one whole. What about splitting something into 3 parts? If you cut a cake into 3 equal pieces, each piece is 1/3, written as 1 over 3. If you eat 2 of the pieces, you've eaten 2/3 of the cake. Fractions are all around us in real life. When we share a sandwich with a friend, we are dividing it into halves. When we cut an orange into 4 pieces, we are making quarters. When 3 children share 12 toys, each child gets 1/3 of the toys. Let's play a quick game. I will say something, and you think of the fraction. A sandwich cut into 2 equal parts. Each part is what? A pie cut into 4 slices. One slice is what? A cake cut into 3 equal parts. One part is what? Good work. You are already learning fractions. Assignment time. Now it's time for your assignment. Take your notebook and try these. Draw a circle and divide it into 2 equal halves. Shade 1/2. Draw a rectangle and divide it into 4 equal parts. Shade 2 out of the 4 parts. Draw a pizza and cut it into 3 equal parts. Shade 1/3. Draw a shape that shows 3 quarters. Challenge. Find something at home, like a fruit or bread, and divide it equally to show a fraction. Fractions are just fair shares. Whenever we divide something equally, we are using fractions. Next time on Brain Sprouts, we will learn equivalent fractions and simplifying like which is bigger, 1/2 or 1/3. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a Brain Sprouts lesson. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep sharing those fractions.